Today we're talking about LBEEE, Leadership by Example with the Energy for Excellence. One of the things that's most important in any organization is make sure that the leader is walking his talk and setting the example for others. In the martial arts industry, that's going to be no different. It's very important that you're a martial artist first, that you're in great physical shape, that you're actively training, willing to sweat and be around other people to set the example for the training side of things. But on the business side, also making sure that you're walking your talk, always staying on top of your game. At Max International, we'd love to get you on our next webinar to share some tips on some training habits, some reading, some upkeep, and some guidelines on how we can make sure that our leadership skills stay at the top and the highest level above and beyond anybody else in our area. We want to make sure that we're operators that are setting a new precedent and an example, not only just in our community, but in the martial arts field in general. So please go to maxinternational.com and learn how you can share and learn with our LBEEE system to ensure that you're going to be a great leader for your team, your organization, and in your communities.